Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and in this video, this is kind of a continuation of a better sound in my 80 series Landcruiser, like a video I made a while ago. And there was these guards, you know, they're on the back doors as well, and anyway, they just keep kind of falling off, and once they get bent, they kind of just, you know, fall off like that. Anyway, that got annoying. Anyway, I started, I was thinking, oh, this is terrible, and it turns out Alpine have changed what they produce with their speakers as a guard. They produce these. Anyway, I got given these from a nice bloke in Midland, Jolly Good Auto Car Stereo or something. Jolly Good Car Stereos in Midland, I think. Anyway, he gave me these, 4 of them, and I'm going to put them on here to rectify that issue, because that was annoying. And I'm going to show you, you've got to, you know, I've probably got to trim a few things and do a couple of things and see what I can work out. But yeah, and you know, this being the fact that I keep kicking them, knocking them off, and you know, I'm getting sick of it pretty quick. So hopefully these do the trick for now. Alright, I'll show you what's happening. It's a short video, but I'll show you what's going on here. Alright, so these are those silly guards that kept bending. They just fell off. I held them on with a bit of Sikaflex at one stage, and you know, it would kind of end up falling off anyway. And this is a new shroud guard. All I've got to do is, I think, just trim these little plastic edges off here. See that little bit sticking up? Trim that off, and it fits through the factory holes for the speaker and just mount straight on there, and I'll show you how easy that is. So since these are only plastic, I'll just use a pair of side cutters maybe. This should work. Yep. And yeah, you know, very basic, very simple. But if there was one thing I was disappointed with those Alpine speakers, was the guard, you know. And these come factory now with the speakers as you buy them. I bought when they weren't using these, and but now they do. So I've got 2 here. I've got the other 2 on the other side already done. So I'll just trim these back. Yeah, and I'll get the little screwdriver doobie and sort that out. Alright, so very simply, taking these out, and I have to be a little bit gentle how I do this, because this speaker at any stage might just fall out at me. And so just line that up with the original holes, and sheesh, that's about it. Not too tight. Oops. There we go. And that's that one. I'll do the next one now. Man, this is a quick, easy little job. But it was something I was constantly thinking about and constantly annoying me. And you can probably see how dusty these speakers are already. Doesn't take long, it's a full drive, it's kind of going to happen, and lucky these speakers aren't that expensive, right? It's nice that it's never made it something so easy to replace. It's kind of cool. Oh. Trust me to drop it. Alright, and that's it. I'll show you the product. And so that's the driver side done. I did that a couple of days ago. Both the driver side doors go in the back here, and that one's now done, and so's that one. That's so much nicer. And working my shed on a hot day is okay because I now have an air conditioner. Woohoo! Alright, let's wrap this one up. Well, that was a incredibly easy job. Very simple, quick. And now, you know, I can be pretty safe bet that'll be okay. They won't fall off, I won't damage them as easily. Yeah, it works quite well. So if you've got these speakers and you've got those these little faces on them, never mind. You can go to a reputable dealer of Alpine, and you'll be able to get them. And yeah, they'll be safer. But yes, thank you very much for watching this short, unusual little video, and but a recap of my stereo video that I did ages ago. What was it called? Better sound in 80 series Landcruiser. This is the update to that. Alright. Thank you very much for watching, and I will aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers. Ta.